What's up, everyone? We're out here at Oklahoma National Stockyards. It's the world's largest cattle market. So let's go check it out. This right here is where they load the cattle up. It's getting towards the end of the day. Probably wrapping up the sale here pretty soon. Anyways, they got this long overhead walk that we're about to get on here. Oh, here's their little sign here. Auctions create competition. So let's go ahead up these stairs. Show you guys what this place. Hopefully they still are selling something. Here we go. We're at the top of the boardwalk, and now they got, this is it. This is huge. We're gonna go walk across this, and so they sell like 15,000 head a day here. It's a lot. This place is huge. There's not too many tourist attractions in Oklahoma, but I have seen some people that totally tourists come check this place out. The sale barn's over there. We're about to go check that out. And they got their bright colored polos on and just white Velcro shoes. Howdy. They got total tourists. You know, they got their khaki shorts, tall white socks. Coming to check it out. I was like, so, I mean, some people might, there's not much to check out, but there is the Cowtown right across from here. That's kind of cool. They got nice restaurants, nice stores, some little historic town right across from here. That might be something we're checking out too. But this place is huge. It's like almost goes on forever. There we go. We got some cows there. Hopefully they're still selling stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this walk out and see you guys here in a little bit. That's where the sale barn is at that we're about to go head into. Looks like they're still loading cattle up right there. About to walk into the sale barn. Got lots of cattle still out here. There we go. They got some good roping cattle, cows. I think once they sell them, they put them out there on the other side. They got some cowboys out there. So it looks like they're loading up into the sale barn. Right. That's the selling ring right there. They're bringing some through. This place is huge. Let's go check out the sale barn. We're right here.
Little 5 they bred the Charlotte bulls. Now, the little young cows, kind of 5 to 6 months pregnant. They'll give it 8 moments at a time. 8 high, 8 to the bottom, 8 high, money's on, 8 to the bottom, 8 high, moments at a time. 8 to the bottom, 8 high, moments at the bottom, 8 high, moments at the bottom, 8 15 moments at the bottom, 8 high, 8 to the bottom, now 9, 8 to the bottom, 900, 85, now 900. 6, 7 years old, long bread for you, brother Black Bulls. $1,000 bucks. Now quarter, $10 a quarter, $100 money's in, now quarter, 10, 25, minimum number, minimum 2, and minimum farmers number 2.
Well, I mean, it's about all we might be able to check out. Just heading out, and if I don't think they'll let you walk down in there with those pins, but if it did, it might get a little more spicy, a little more entertaining. But I mean, that's that might wrap up the video. So we can go check out. There's Cowtown right across the street. We can go check out. Oh man, look at that. We got the Oklahoma City downtown right there. It's pretty cool. You got all this countryness right here in the middle of a city. So, all right guys, I'll see you.